Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong December money reading. So, tinan natin yung ibang energies for you when it comes to your money, career, finances, anything related sa inyong kaperahan. So, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. And pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay. Leo, what is up? Money, kaperahan, career. 11th house community. So, some of you are going to be involved with a lot of people, no? Merong, kumbaga, mas may expose ka sa maraming tao. Some of you, ang career ninyo related sa public speaking or being in public. Yan, public service, ganyan. And social media. So you are being seen by the world. And then you also have the 8th house, which is mystery. 8th house is about other people's money. So yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magbi-business, magnenegosyo kayo, pwedeng may investment din kayong papasukin ngayong December. So let's see what else pa. Or meron kayong nire-research or inaalam na isang tipo ng negosyo or pwedeng pagkakitaan na bago nyo pasukin, gusto nyo, sigurado kayo. Alam nyo yung ins and outs, pros and cons nung trabaho or business na yan. Let's see what else. So you have the Lovers, the 5 of Swords. Okay, mag-ingat sa mga papasukin yung ventures ngayong December because you might experience conflict or misunderstanding sa business partner mo. Or pwede rin namang if you are in a relationship tapos romantic relationship to and then you decide na mag-business kayo together, so pwedeng magkaroon ng challenge yung inyong mga susubukang negosyo together. Minsan kasi mahirap rin pagsabayan yan, no? Na lovers na kayo in real life and then rin kayo, business partners. So, medyo challenging yan. But in some cases, nag-work yan for other people. So, depende yan. Case-to-case basis. But, yeah, you may experience disagreement with your partner. Pwede rin tong disagreement sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, or sa trabaho or career niya if you are in a relationship. So, pwedeng magkaroon siya ng sarili niyang issue tapos maapektuhan ka. You have the Death card. So, this is transformation, new beginnings. Oh, okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong iiwanan na trabaho, business, career, na you feel like you are no longer resonating with that. No? Yung tipong hindi ka na komportable, sa tingin mo, may iba pang opportunities na mas makakabuti para sa'yo. So, yung iba kasi, pwedeng naghihintay lang kayo ng balita dito sa mga inaasikaso nyo sa trabaho or sa career nyo. And once na matanggap nyo yung magandang balita, saka kayo kikilos. So, I think ito na yon. With the 8 of Cups, 8 of Wands, and the Death card, definitely meron kayong iiwanan na sitwasyon dito sa career, business, para meron kayong i-pursue na iba. Yung iba naman, magre-resign sa trabaho kasi natanggap kayo abroad. You have the 9 of Wands, the 2 of Wands. So, some of you medyo nahihirapang mag-decide. Which path to take. Lalo na pag andyan na, no? Diba, yung iba, gusto ko mag-abroad, or gusto ko lumipat ng company, or gusto ko mag-business. Pero pag nandyan na yung opportunity, minsan kakabahan kayo na parang, tutuloy ko na ba? Ito na ba yun? Oo. So, ask for signs. Kasi nakikita ko naman dito na meron kang opportunity na i-grow mo pa. Kung ano yung existing mo na career or business. So, you have that opportunity. Kailangan lang malakas talaga yung loob mo. Diba? With the 10 of Pentacles. So, this is the sign na whatever you are going to pursue ngayong December, ano man yung gusto mong ipagpatuloy na gawin, or another direction na ipatatahakin mo, this is going to bring you abundance. Okay? You have the Ace of Swords. So, merong good news para sa inyo. Sabi nga rito, change in direction. So, maaring you need to make a decision para sa pagbabago na yan. Okay? So, yung iba, mabilis lang silang magdesisyon. Yung iba naman, kailangang pag-isipang maigi. But for some of you, mabilis yung decision making nyo na yan kasi pwedeng naghihintay lang kayo ng sign. Oo. And then, once na makita nyo na yung sign, ayun, gora na. Diba? So, let's see what else for Leo, December money. Okay. So, you have treat yourself with proper care. Ayan. So, wag rin daw kalimutan ng inyong sarili. Nurture yourself. So, I also see some of you na breadwinner, no? Meron kayong may mga taong umaasa sa inyo, mga kapatid nyo, parents nyo, mahal sa buhay. So, syempre, it is our pleasure and we take pride doon sa pagsusuporta natin sa kanila. But of course, wag nyo rin kalimutan yung sarili ninyo. Treat yourself. Ayan. Kasi iba sa inyo, you are very caring, no? Oo, marami kayong gustong alagaan. And some of you naman, maaring i-involve mo yung sarili ninyo sa sa charity work. Oo. Meron kayong tutulungan ng mga foundation, no, para makatulong sa iba na nangangailangan. Ayan, merong career growth, advancement in your field of work. So, may mga opportunities raw na parating sa inyo. Oo, so, ito na yon, no? Yung iba sa inyo, ito yung hinihintay nyo. And then, may good news. Then, syempre, kailangan nyo pa rin namang mag-decide whether ite-take nyo or tatanggapin nyo yung good news na yan or yung new opportunity na yan or magsistay kayo sa situation ninyo. Diba? Oh. Transformation. Leo, change is coming talaga. Oo. And some people are very supportive of you, no? Marami nagsusuporta sa iyo, sinasabi na, "Oh, sige, gawin mo 'yan. We support you all the way." Kung 'yan ang makakabuti para sa iyo. Your success is now at hand. Allow the abundance to flow to you effortlessly. So, nasa mga kamay mo na daw ang success. The connection to divine guidance is within you. Yes, you are divinely guided, Leo. Yung ba sa inyo nakakita kayo ng synchronicities, repeating numbers? These are signs ng inyong mga guides na you are on the right path. You are learning all aspects of spiritual connection and reaching new heights. Yes, part of your transformation is also spiritual awakening. Oo. Kakaroon kayo ng spiritual awakening, especially in how you deal with your career, your finances. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.